nag-sorry siya na nadawit ako sa thing nila, sa issue nila. Ayan, kung nanonood si Angelica, sorry kung may mga gulo na ganito. Wala naman ako masamang intention or wala kayong masamang intention ni Derek. Friendship lang talaga. Kung kailangan na wala ng friendship, okay sa akin. Basta wala akong natatapakan na tao.
Jelly Dibilin,
Okay.
welcome the host of
Hello, Miss
Superstar.
Hello, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Gusto lang namin ibalita na bukas palabas ang Superstar. Usually po, ang time slot namin is from 11:15. Pero tomorrow, magkakaroon ng special Panday Kids Marathon. Mapapanood yung Superstars ng 9:30. 9:30. Sa mga susunod na mga linggo, 11:15 yung mapapanood ng Superstars. In the morning.
So 9:30 in the morning. May tatanong sa'yo si Miss Alisa, Jelly.
Miss Jelly, can you tell us more about your show, Superstar?
Ayan, sa nakikita nyo, pinapalabas ang mga aming mga na-feature na mga animals. Siyempre, every week meron din bang magtutunggaling 2 animals. Tomorrow, may isang Macau at saka isang Labrador na maglalaban.
Labrador.
Yun yung mga abangan natin.
Abangan nyo with their tricks. We've got different animals. Meron kaming special guest na animal every week. Pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba siya, ano bang ang kanyang mga characteristics, ano kanyang mga ugali, yung mga ganyan.
Ang gagaling ng mga animals doon, yung mga performers.
Yes. And of course, even your favorite artists, yung mga favorite celebrities niyo po, makikita nyo ang kanilang mga pets.
Okay, thank you, Jelly. Superstars. Bukas, 9:45.
9:30.
9:30 in the morning.
Sa susunod na linggo, it's 11:15.
In the morning.
Yes.
Superstars.
Superstars. And of course, Panday Kids, everyday po yan pagkatapos ng 24 oras.
Okay. Superstars. Magbabalik ang...
Thank you, Miss Jelly.
Magbabalik ang Star Talk!
Up now.
He singularly was the actor who inspired me to admit to myself and then out loud that I wanted to act and then I wanted to act in films.
Sa unang pagkakataon ay nagsama sa iisang proyekto sina Harrison Ford at Brendan Fraser.
So, Brendan, how is it working with Mr. Harrison Ford?
Privilege.
Yes?
He's easily one of cinema's living icons right now. But in spite of that, I'm delighted to know that he's just a regular guy.
Brendan brings understanding and great capacity to the telling of this story. I think we're very lucky to have him.
Extraordinary Measures tells the story of John Crowley, a biotechnology executive whose 2 youngest children are diagnosed with a rare fatal disease.
Mr. Ford, as a family man, how did the movie affect you? How were you affected by the movie?
Well, I responded to, on the level of a father and whose children are threatened, as any father would. But more than that, I mean, there was not just the dilemma of the father, but the extraordinary measures that he took to help his children.
Brendan, you were in Manila 10 years ago, several years ago for George Made the Jungle. When do you plan to go back? Maybe for a visit or to do another movie?
It'd be fun. One of my fondest recollections. This is fun. I just realized this right now, Ricky. When I was there,
Yes.
I was doing George of the Jungle. I remember being on the
Harrison
road.
Ford movie.
Of course. I can remember painted billboards, giant,
All over. Yes.
all over of Harrison and myself
Okay,
in Manila.
Could you invite your Filipino fans back in Manila to watch the movie? This movie,
Please
very
do.
beautiful movie.
If you have the occasion, I certainly hope to come see Extraordinary Measures. It was my pleasure to work with Harrison Ford, and I'm certain that you will be moved by this, and you'll go hug your kids for sure.
Star Talk Exclusive, ang pag-iisang dibdib sa simbahan ni Camel Prats at ng kanyang asawang si Anthony Linsangan susunod na. Up next!
Pagkakaugat ng issue tungkol sa kanila ni Krista Ranillo. Sasagutin na ni Michael De Mesa ang eksklusibong panayam sa aktor. Up next na, dito lang sa Star Talk.
I'd rather talk about what's happening to me now and my plans for the future rather than dwell on things that happened in the past.